If your bank account could talk, would it say, "I'm thriving"? Or, "Please stop, I'm begging you"? The truth is, overspending isn't just bad math. It's a sneaky habit that's silently robbing your future. So today, I'm giving you 10 sharp ways to stop bleeding cash. Strategies you can use today to keep more money in your pocket without feeling broke or boring. Let's start with the first move that'll expose exactly where your money's been hiding. Don't forget to watch till the end to not miss my secret. 1. Audit your spending like a ruthless FBI agent. If I gave you $1,000 right now and asked where it would go, most people would say, "Bills, I guess." But here's the thing. Guessing is exactly why your money keeps pulling disappearing acts. Pull up your last 30 days of bank and credit statements. Go line by line. Highlight everything. Essentials, subscriptions, just this once purchases, and random nonsense like that avocado toast you got because the photo looked good. You'll be shocked at how many little leaks you have, and those little leaks, they add up to thousands a year. Cancel unused subscriptions. Adjust recurring charges. Identify the sneaky stuff like delivery fees, impulse snacks, and $4.99 trials you forgot to cancel 3 months ago. But here's the catch. Knowing the leaks isn't enough. If you keep drilling new holes in the ship, you'll still sink. Which is why. 2. The 24-hour rule. You know that feeling when you see something online and your brain screams, "Buy it now before it's gone"? Yeah. That's your dopamine hijacking your logic. The 24-hour rule is simple. Any non-essential purchase gets put on a 24-hour waiting list. No exceptions. Want those $200 sneakers? Fine. Put them in your cart, close the tab, and walk away. If, after 24 hours, you still want them and you can afford them without guilt, go for it. Most of the time, you'll forget about it. Or you'll realize you only wanted it because it was shiny in the moment. It's like drunk texting an ex. The idea feels amazing at one amazing, but by the next day, you're glad you didn't hit send. But patience is only half the battle. To really stop overspending, you've got to set yourself up for victory before temptation even starts. And that begins with 3. Pay yourself first. The "I'll save whatever's left" method is the financial version of "I'll start eating healthy after dessert." Spoiler, there's never anything left. Instead, the moment your paycheck hits, pay your savings account first. Treat it like a bill you must pay, except this bill goes to your future self. Automate it so you don't even have to think about it. Even if it's just 10% of your income, it adds up insanely fast. You won't miss it because you never saw it sitting there. And if you really want to flex, set up a separate high-yield savings account you don't touch. Now, while we're securing the bag for your future self, there's a sneaky little villain that will try to undo all your progress. It's called 4. Lifestyle creep. Lifestyle creep is like that friend who just wants to crash for a week and ends up living in your guest room for 3 years. It starts small. You get a raise, so you upgrade your coffee from $3 to $7. Your apartment gets fancier, and suddenly you're treating yourself on a daily basis. Here's the fix. Lock in your baseline lifestyle. When your income increases, put the extra into savings or investments before you can touch it. Keep your core expenses the same for as long as you can. Because here's the truth. If every raise just gets eaten by bigger bills, you're not actually getting richer. You're just upgrading your cage. And sometimes, lifestyle creep isn't the problem. Sometimes, the problem is the shiny little plastic temptation living in your wallet. 5. The card in the freezer trick. Credit cards are like a chainsaw. In skilled hands, they can build something. In unskilled hands, they cut off your financial leg. If you can't control impulse spending, remove the temptation. Take your card, put it in a bowl of water, and stick it in the freezer. By the time it thaws, the emotional high that made you want to buy will be gone. It's extreme, yes, but so is carrying debt for years. You can also take a less dramatic route. Store your card in a drawer. Delete it from online accounts and only use cash for discretionary spending. But freezing your card only works if you also freeze the source of temptation, the endless marketing funnel you swim in daily. 6. Unsubscribe from retail emails and apps. Every sale, 50% off. Email is a trap. If they were really helping you save, they wouldn't need to remind you twice a day. Delete retail apps. Unsubscribe from promo emails. Turn off push notifications. Create friction between you and your spending triggers. If you really need something, you'll go looking for it. But if it just finds you in your inbox, congratulations, you've been marketed into poverty. Still, it's not just the internet trying to drain you. Sometimes it's the people you spend the most time with. 7. Surround yourself with savers. Money habits are contagious. If your friends blow cash like it's monopoly money, you'll start feeling like you're the boring one for not joining in. Find people who budget, invest, and talk about building wealth. You don't have to ditch your spendy friends, but balance the influence. Pro tip: start talking openly about financial goals. The more you normalize conversations about saving and investing, the more you'll hold yourself accountable. But accountability means nothing if you're still letting your money wander around with no direction, which is why. 8. Give every dollar a job. Ever heard of zero-based budgeting? It's the ultimate money babysitter. Every dollar you earn gets assigned to a category: bills, savings, fun money, debt payoff, whatever. The point is, there's no extra money just lying around waiting to be spent. Think of it like running a business. If your dollars don't have jobs, they start loitering in parking lots and making bad decisions. Apps like YNABR, even a simple spreadsheet, can help. And yes, fun money is allowed, but it's capped. Now, if budgeting sounds restrictive, let me blow your mind. You can still spend guilt-free, as long as you do it this way. 9. Practice conscious spending. The secret isn't to stop spending, it's to spend on the right things. Decide what actually matters to you and splurge there. Cut ruthlessly everywhere else. Love travel? Great. Save aggressively for that. But why keep paying for subscriptions you forgot existed? Every dollar you cut from things you don't care about buys you more freedom for the things you do. It's not deprivation. It's prioritization. And if you want to make this whole process addictive, like actually fun, then you need to. 10. Track progress like it's a game. Humans love progress bars, streaks, and scores. So why not turn saving money into a game? Set monthly challenges. No takeout February. $500 saved in 30 days. Buy nothing week. Track your streaks. Reward yourself when you hit a goal, just not by undoing it with a big splurge. The more visible your progress, the more motivated you'll be. It's why fitness trackers work. Your money needs the same hype. All right, confession time. I used to be terrible with money. Like, order Uber Eats, forget about it, and then do it again the next day. Terrible. What finally changed everything for me wasn't a budgeting app or some guru's course. It was one sticky note. I wrote down one question. Will this still matter in 30 days? Every time I wanted to buy something, I looked at that note. 9 times out of 10, the answer was no, and I'd walk away. That single habit saved me thousands, and the best part? It cost me 5 cents for the sticky note. Overspending isn't a money problem, it's a habit problem. And the good news? Habits can be hacked. Pick 2 tips from this list and start today. Not tomorrow. Not after my next paycheck. Today. If this video saved you even $1, comment $1 saved. Hit that like button and subscribe so your future self can thank your present self for finally getting it together. See you next time.